Bitcoin has been all over the news. Prices have been dropping, and everyone is wondering if they should buy in. So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? This age-old question has been asked numerous times, and to some, the answers stay the same. However, for others, it changes based on the circumstances at hand. Truthfully, the answer to that question depends on a variety of factors. In this post, we will take a look at the current state of Bitcoin and give you our thoughts about whether or not now is the time to invest. Stay tuned. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be sent to and from users on the peer-to-peer network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are checked by network nodes via cryptography. Transactions are recorded in a blockchain, a public distributed ledger. It has been over a decade since Bitcoin was created, and it has seen its fair share of ups and downs. In recent months, prices have been dropping, and many people are wondering if they should buy in while prices are low. So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? The answer to that question depends on a variety of factors. In this post, we'll take a look at the current state of Bitcoin and give you our thoughts and opinion on whether or not now is the time to invest. Stay tuned. As we mentioned, Bitcoin prices have been dropping lately. On November 11, 2021, the price of one Bitcoin was just over $85,656 CAD. As of May 12, 2022, the price of one Bitcoin has fallen to around $38,092 CAD. That's a 55% drop in value in just 6 months. Of course, prices could continue to drop, and you could lose money if you buy at today's prices. However, it is important to remember that prices have also been known to rebound after a drop. In fact, prices increased by more than 1,000% in 2017 after a drop in prices the year before. So, there's always the potential for prices to go up again. It's also important to remember that Bitcoin is still a very volatile currency. Prices can and do fluctuate rapidly, sometimes by large amounts. This means that there's always the potential for both big gains and big losses when it comes to investing in Bitcoin. If you're thinking of buying Bitcoin, it's important to be prepared for the possibility of losing money. No investment is ever 100% safe, and you should only invest what you're willing to lose. Now that we have taken a look at the current state of Bitcoin, it's time to answer the question, should you buy Bitcoin? As we mentioned, there are a few things to consider before making any investment. However, despite the recent price drop, we believe that there is still potential for big gains with Bitcoin. If you're thinking of investing, we recommend doing your own research and talking to a financial advisor to get started. How do you buy Bitcoin? If you're interested in buying Bitcoin, there are a few ways to do it. The most common way to buy Bitcoin is on an exchange, such as Coinbase or Kraken. You can also find people to buy Bitcoin from in person using sites like Local Bitcoins. Finally, you can also mine Bitcoin yourself, though this is becoming increasingly difficult as the currency grows in popularity. No matter how you choose to buy Bitcoin, make sure you do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. One way of doing research involves conducting technical analysis. There are many technical analysis tools out there, but there is one that we wholeheartedly recommend. That technical analysis tool is TradingView. Affiliate disclaimer: movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and all of its content. Learn more. TradingView offers a powerful yet easy-to-use interface that will help take your trading strategy up another level. Whether you are just starting out with crypto or an expert trader, there's always room for improvement and understanding new strategies. If you would like to learn more about Bitcoin, check out our previous post, How to Keep Your Bitcoin Safe. Just like any other currency or asset, it's important to keep your Bitcoin safe. The best way to do this is to store your Bitcoin in a wallet, such as a hardware wallet like the Trezor wallets or the Ledger Nano. These wallets allow you to store your Bitcoin offline, which makes them much harder to hack. Another way to keep your Bitcoin safe is to use a service like Coinbase, which allows you to hold your Bitcoin in a custodial account. This means that Coinbase will hold onto your Bitcoin for you and keep it safe. However, you won't have full control over your Bitcoin, and you'll have to trust that Coinbase will keep it safe for you. Because of this, many veterans in the crypto sphere recommend people to store their cryptocurrency in hard wallets. This way, you have your cryptocurrency stored on a trustworthy device offline. As many crypto enthusiasts say, not your keys, not your coins. Affiliate disclaimer: movement is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps support our website and all of its content. Learn more. That is why we recommend Ledger wallets. With Ledger wallets, you can rest easy knowing that no one else but yourself will have access or knowledge of what's inside this device. This company prides itself on strict security measures and ultimate trustworthiness, so your cryptocurrency is safe when using its products. If you would like to learn more about wallets and safely storing your cryptocurrencies, check out our previous post. The potential risks and rewards associated with investing in Bitcoin. The risks associated with investing in Bitcoin include the potential for losing money and the volatility of the currency. Bitcoin is also a relatively new currency, and there is no guarantee that it will continue to grow in value. Additionally, Bitcoin is not backed by any government or financial institution, which means that it is not as stable as other currencies. On the other hand, there is also the potential for big rewards when investing in Bitcoin. The currency has seen incredible growth in recent years, and there is a chance that this trend will continue. Additionally, as more people adopt Bitcoin and use it as a form of payment, the value of the currency is likely to increase. Ultimately, whether or not you invest in Bitcoin is up to you. We recommend doing your own research and talking to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Why do some people think it's too late to buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin has seen a lot of price volatility in recent years, which has led some people to believe that it's too late to buy the currency. However, there are still potential rewards associated with investing in Bitcoin, and the currency continues to grow in popularity. If you're thinking of buying Bitcoin, we recommend doing your own research and talking to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you would like to learn more about Bitcoin Rainbow Chart, check out our previous post. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? It's no secret that Bitcoin is one of the hottest investments around. Cryptocurrency has seen incredible growth in recent years, and investors are eager to get in on the action. However, some people are now wondering if it's too late to buy Bitcoin. The truth is, no one knows for sure where the market will go next. However, there are a couple of things to consider before making any investment decisions. Bitcoin has seen a lot of price volatility in recent months. The currency reached an all-time high of over $85,656 CAD in November 2021 but has since dropped to around $38,092 as of May 2022. Investors who bought Bitcoin at the start of 2017 and held onto their investment would have made a significant profit. However, those who bought Bitcoin near the beginning of 2021 and have since sold are likely facing significant losses. This highlights the potential risks associated with investing in Bitcoin. No one knows for sure where the market will go next, but there is still potential for big rewards when investing in Bitcoin. The currency has seen incredible growth in recent years, and there is a chance that this trend will continue. Additionally, as more people adopt Bitcoin and use it as a form of payment, the value of the currency is likely to increase. Final thoughts. So, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? The short answer is maybe, and maybe not. It depends on a variety of factors, including your goals and how much risk you're willing to take. If you are thinking about investing in Bitcoin, make sure to do your homework first and understand the risks involved. We hope that this post has given you a good starting point for making that decision. Will you be buying Bitcoin? Disclaimer: Movement provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.